Oy vey. Time for another quick tips.
Quick tip with Ms.Fixit.
Just the tip. Anyway, I've had people ask in the Microtech Experts group and other forums, how do I find the IP address of a server? This comes in when somebody's trying to use, most commonly, UISP, and they're trying to connect their Microtech to their UISP instance. I'm going to show you two ways that are really quick and easy to do it. One, go to your command prompt and simply ping it. Watch.
Sit down, watch and learn.
Let's see here. Ping UI.com is an example. Now, if you'll notice here, it's not actually pinging a URL. It's actually pinging an IP address. So we just discovered the IP address. I'm going to do one more. Ping Pornhub.com. Look at that. So what we have here now is we have the IP address, simply put. And you can do the same thing with the web browser just by going to NSLookup or just simply Google. Watch. Or not Google. You know what? Google has become the term that we use when we're trying to explain or search engines, but I'm using DuckDuckGo. So let's go NSLookup, okay? Oh, it automatically just went to nslookup.io, but let me just, really, can I not just search? Are you gonna let me search?
The prophecy is true.
Here we go. nslookup.io, how to use nslookup command, network tools. See, there's all sorts of different ones that you can use. I'm going to pick the one at the very second. Now let's type this, ui.com. Excuse me. There's some IPs for it. Now, discovering which one is the one that you're coming from will be geo originating. It'll depend on where you are specifically. So there's other ways that you can discover that one as an example by you can actually target it with your NetWatch. Now watch this, though. Let's look up Pornhub. There we go. See, those ones are nice and easy, of course. So look, we've got the IP address right here, right? So there you go. That's it.
This job is too easy.
That was easy.
Yeah, it was.
If you want to find a URL, just do that. Let's see, for me, if I'm pinging UI.com, hey, it's actually pretty random which one I actually get at what time. Cool. It actually shifted on me. Isn't that interesting, eh?
Interesting.
Let's wait a few seconds and try that again. Now, regardless of that anyway, I should probably point out that if you wanted to use some of the more advanced features of your Microtech with the UISP instance in the cloud, you're going to have a hard time because with UISP, unless they've changed it the last time I checked, you can't use third-party plugins in the cloud instance. So this little tutorial becomes sort of useless for that application.
I got nothing out of that experience at all.
But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.